Have you ever stopped to consider the impact of the conversations you have with yourself? This is the power of self-talk. It's a dialogue that constantly unfolds within us, shaping our perceptions, swaying our emotions, and steering our actions. Whether we realize it or not, these internal narratives influence our lives in profound ways, from the way we see ourselves to how we interact with the world around us. It turns out, the words we tell ourselves can either be our greatest ally or our worst enemy. So what happens when this self-talk turns negative? Well, research shows that a steady diet of self-criticism, doubt, and pessimism can be quite harmful. This relentless negative chatter can erode our self-confidence, leading to low self-esteem. It can also brew anxiety, fostering a constant state of worry and fear. Worst of all, it can plunge us into the depths of depression, clouding our days with hopelessness. Negative self-talk not only affects our mental health but also our quality of life. But what if we could harness the power of our words to change our lives for the better? Imagine the ripple effect of positive affirmations. Consistently affirming ourselves can bolster our self-esteem, fostering a resilience that keeps us buoyant even in stormy seas of life. It gifts us a sense of overall well-being, a glow that radiates from within. Like a daily vitamin for our mind, these positive words nourish and strengthen our mental fortitude. Positive affirmations have the power to transform our mindset and, in turn, our lives. So, how important is it to practice positive self-talk? It's crucial, folks. The words we whisper to ourselves have power. They can either build us up or tear us down. Negative self-talk, it's like poison, slowly affecting our beliefs and actions. Positive affirmations, on the other hand, are like medicine, healing us from within. It requires conscious effort to replace the poison with medicine, but it's worth it. Remember, the words you tell yourself can shape your reality. Choose them wisely.